Hi guys, good morning or good evening, depends on what time is it now in your place. This is gonna be your host today. It's Jay, and you're watching J Car CJ Vlogs. So don't forget to click on subscribe and like down below, and of course the notification bell so that you'll be always updated on our future video vlogs. All right. So what we're going to do right now, or what we're going to discuss, is how to create your own PayPal account. So you can use PayPal account to many services across all over the internet. It's needed. PayPal, by the way. It's a type of payment. It's a payment merchant wherein you can link your credit card, your debit card, and then that's gonna be the payment method, especially if you are working home-based and you want it to be paid from a client in abroad. So this is the best payment method that you can use. All right, so let's start. It's kind of easy. You just have to go to paypal.com. So in my case, since I'm from the Philippines, this is gonna be the website. But you could just type in paypal.com. That's fine. And then when you get here, all you need to do is click on sign up. So let's look for that. You can see it here on the screen. There. So click on sign up now. This is actually free. You're not gonna be paying anything for this. So here, once you are on this page, you click on either buy PayPal or receive payments with PayPal. So there's just one difference, okay, on these two options here. Buy with PayPal means that this is used for shopping and sending online payments, as well as receiving payments as well. However, if you're gonna be clicking on this one, I'll show you guys. This is for businesses, by the way. If you're gonna be establishing your own business, that's the link you need to click on. But that's not the one you use for payments that you get from a different client. Okay, so look at this. Sign up for a business account. So you don't need that for the meantime, because well, if you have a business account, then that's the one you need to click. But most of the time, let's go back. It should be the first one, because you're gonna be just receiving your payments. On one of my videos, I taught you guys how to earn money from working online. So this is the payment method that I'm using, and most of the home-based people or home-based agents uses this one. So let's start. Just click on it here. You just have to write down your information. So for me, let's just run it down so that you can see it. Okay, let's create like a temporary account or a dummy account. So dummy account. Alright guys, allow me just a few seconds here. So once you have filled out all the required fields, just click on next, and there it would ask you for an ID number. Just choose this, choose one from these three. So if you have a driver's license, you put it in here, you type in the number. This is how easy it is. So let's just make up one. You could add your mobile number if you want. That's actually part of the verification. You could just delete it once you have activated it online if you don't need a phone number listed to your account. That's fine. Okay, what does it mean? What does this means? Activate One Touch. You just click on this one. You will know what that is. One Touch lets you speed through checkouts on eligible apps. So meaning you wouldn't need to type in your password every time you log in or every time you need to log in to PayPal. So if you want that to be activated, just click on the checkbox. But I don't want that in my end, so I'll just click on I confirm that I have read, consent, and agree to PayPal's user agreement and privacy statement, and I am of legal age. I understand that I can change my communication preference anytime in my PayPal account. So just click on agree and create account. Oh, sorry, I forgot the date of birth. Alright, so let's click on agree. It will let you in, however you need to verify it still before you can use it. So it says here your account has been created, so you need to add a credit or debit card to start shopping or to send payments with your PayPal account, and then for you to be verified. Okay, that's one thing. You need to have a verified PayPal account, and in order for you to do that, you need to have a card linked to it. So let's start. You just need to skip those two, and then you go to add a card to start using your PayPal account. So once you are added a card number, you need to click on link a card, and there will be a CAPTCHA security challenge field here. You just need to accomplish it. Whatever is written here, you just have to accomplish it. In my case, it says cars, so you'll be clicking on cars. You need to verify it. So on my end, it says we're sorry you can't link this card. Please try a different one or contact your card issuer, because I've already linked this card to one of my accounts, so it's not gonna work anymore. So what I'm gonna do is I'll do it later so that I can show you guys what it looks like inside PayPal. So go to your account. Okay, this is how it works. Hi, and then your name, you would see it there, your PayPal balance. This is not yet a valid, or this is not yet a verified PayPal account because you haven't linked your card yet. A while ago when we were on that page, if you were successful adding your debit card or credit card, it would push through, and it would say there would be a field here when you can put in the fuse code. The fuse code is a 4-digit number or a 4-digit PIN that the bank would send you. I'm gonna show you what that is. Allow me just a few seconds, okay? I'm just trying to look for it right now. I had it a while ago. Sorry for the long waiting. Here. Okay, so in my case, I used Union Bank to link my Union Bank Union Bank card to PayPal. So when you successfully link your card, it would send you this fuse code. This is what it's called. It's fuse code. So there will be a 4-digit PIN there, which is in my case it's PP. That's PayPal code 3961. So all you need to do is just take note of the number. You can get this when you have an online banking account. You just log into the account, and then you check your activity it would deduct 100 pesos. So that's needed, but don't worry, it's gonna be sent back within 24 hours. So it's gonna be refunded. Just need to make sure it has 100 pesos on it, and then it would be refunded. So once you have the fuse code, you go back to PayPal, you log in again, and then you could check there, verify my account. It says something like that. Let me check, one moment. Let me make sure. Alright, okay guys, so I'm back. So this is how it looks like, for example. So once you have successfully added your card, you would see your card here. So there will be options here at the lower right part of the screen. You would say edit, remove, and then confirm my card. That's how you get verified. If once you have confirmed that your card is yours. So it's like just to make them sure that you're not using a credit card or a debit card from someone else, that you don't, well, that's to prevent fraud. Okay, so when you click on confirm my card, this is what it would look like next. It would say your 4-digit code has been requested, and we have charged $1.95 or equivalent to your Visa card or whatever card you use to make sure it's yours. The charge creates a unique 4-digit code that will show up on your card statement within a few days. But it's not really within a few days, it's just automatic. It's once you got charged for the 100 pesos, then you get the fuse code, just like what I showed you a while ago, guys, right? If you can still remember, this is it. So there, that's it. And once you the next step that you need to take in, once you have that, you just need to go back to your profile. It would say here, confirm your credit card, and then you just have to put in the 4-digit fuse code that you see. Alright, and then you just click on, it's blocking our view, okay. It says confirm card. Here, it would say confirm card. So that's it. Once you have confirmed your card, that means your account is already verified, your PayPal is already verified, and all you need to do is just to click on, because you're done with linking your credit card, you can now do the confirm your mobile phone number and then confirm your email. These are just very easy. You just have to click on confirm. You would receive a text message, and then you just have to put in the code there, and then it's gonna be confirmed. For the email, it's very easy as well. All you need to do is to click on send email, and then open your email. You would see there the confirmation, and then just click on it. Then that's it. You're gonna have a 100% verified PayPal account, and after that you can use this PayPal account now on whatever you wanted to use it to. Alright, especially applying to the website that I taught you guys on the other video that you have watched. If you have already watched that video, then that's good. If not, then look at the description below. I would put it there. Alright, so that you'll know what I'm talking about. Okay, so that's gonna be helping you guys. It's a home-based online job. Alright, so I guess this would be it. Thank you for watching JCarCJ Vlogs, and I guess that would be it. Chill, guys.